This system uses a 3D laser profiler, 6-axis robot, and smart vision algorithms to find and pick parts of different sizes and shapes. It can handle tasks like mixed picking, sorted picking, and stacking quickly and accurately. Uses self-developed stripe projection technology to achieve Z-axis positioning accuracy up to 1.6 micrometers, ensuring precise material placement. Powered by FPGA edge computing, the system reaches 4 FPS and completes 3D recognition in just 0.25 seconds. Multi-exposure point cloud fusion improves compatibility with different materials and reduces noise and voids by over 40%. Smart manufacturing for tasks like sorting car parts, assembling 3D components, and guiding welding.